Hi everyone, a very good morning. I'm Dr. Pooja and this is Dr. Pooja's Skincare. Today we are talking about hair care in your 40s. 40s is a wonderful time. If you're not already into self-care, this is the perfect time to start. And we are here to help you in your journey. Take care and enjoy the tips.
Thank you, Dr. Pooja. That's right, 40s are a time of transition. A decade where health, lifestyle, and hormones all begin to shift. And your hair often reflects those changes. You might notice it becoming thinner, more fragile, or even behaving differently than it did in your 20s or 30s. But understanding the causes and making smart adjustments can help you maintain healthier, fuller hair. Let's take a look at the first major thing which affects us: hormones. For men, genetics and hormonal changes are key culprits. DHT, a byproduct of testosterone, binds to hair follicles, causing them to shrink over time and making hair grow back thinner or not at all. Women experience a decline in estrogen levels during perimenopause, which disrupts the hair growth cycle. Hormonal imbalances and conditions like thyroid disorders can also trigger changes in hair health for both men and women. The second key thing is nutrition. Diet plays a huge role in hair health. By your 40s, the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients slows down. Protein, iron, and vitamins like B12 and D are crucial for maintaining strong, healthy hair. Including leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and lean proteins in your meals can help. Supplements like biotin or collagen can also support hair growth, but always consult a healthcare professional before adding them to your routine. One major thing that's really bad is stress. Chronic stress is a hidden enemy of healthy hair. It can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to more shedding and a thinner appearance over time. Managing stress through regular exercise, mindfulness practices, or even engaging in simple hobbies can directly benefit your hair health. Now, there is also something that you may not know about, but it is slowly engulfing our lives: chemical exposure. The use of hair colors, bleaching agents, and other chemical treatments becomes more common in your 40s as grays start to appear. However, these products can weaken the hair shaft, causing dryness, breakage, and scalp irritation. Opt for gentler coloring techniques, ammonia-free dyes, and treatments designed to minimize damage. Reducing the frequency of chemical exposure and maintaining a good conditioning routine can make a significant difference. Remember, if you catch and manage hair loss in your 40s, it's far more likely to be reversible. With proper care and attention, you can continue enjoying healthy, beautiful hair well into your later years. That's all for this video. We hope you found this useful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Check out our Kudzu-based Trqois Terra skin and hair care products at drpoojaskincare.com, on Amazon, and on Flipkart. To book an appointment, visit me at Dubai London Clinic in Dubai. For teleconsultations, send a WhatsApp message to the number displayed on your screen. Till the next time, stay beautiful.